Good morning, student. So, let's start our next topic, chapter 12, concurring distance. So, start the means of transport. Dear student, means of transport. Three types of means of transport. Your previous class discussed the means of transport. Three types of transport: roadways, waterways, and airways. So, roadways include the railways. So, discuss the roadways transport. Means of transport: roadways, cars, buses, trucks, bullock carts, tanga, bicycles, scooters, etc. move on roads. Cars, buses, and trucks are fast moving vehicles. They take less time. Fast moving vehicles use petrol, diesel, and CNG to run. The slow moving vehicles like rickshaw, bicycle, and tanga use man or animal power. Do you know CNG, compressed natural gas, is safer and creates less pollution? So, these vehicles that move on road. Railways. Train run on tracks. They carry hundreds of passengers and tons of goods. We can travel over short as well as long distance by train. The earlier train run on steam engine, but now most trains run on electricity. Modern air conditioner trains are very comfortable with sleepers, dining car, library, etc. Story of railways. Instead of muddy roads, kacha roads, wooden rails were used for the easy movement of horse-drawn wagons and carts in Germany. These railroads were the beginning of railways. The invention of steam engine replaced the animal energy and opened the way for modern railways. George Stephenson invented the first steam locomotive engine for railways. Do you know metro rail service is available in Delhi and Kolkata? Many other cities are also soon going to have metro to reduce the traffic from roads. Mumbai has a monorail transport system. The difference between the two is that monorails run on a single rail, as against metro rail that runs on two rails like all other trains all over the world. Do you know, in India the first train ran between Mumbai and Thane in 1853. First train in India. Waterways. The earlier ships used rails. The direction of the wind played an important role. Later, steam energy was used, but now boats and ships move fast with powerful diesel engines. Modern ships can travel transport can transport hundreds of people and tons of goods to faraway places. Please, a sip. Waterways are less costly than airways, but they take longer time. Moreover, they are only available near rivers, sea, or other water bodies. Next, airways. Means of transport that fly in the air, like aeroplanes, helicopter, and glider, are called the airways. Airways are the fastest means of transport. They can take us to faraway places within or outside India in a short span of time. But air travel is costly. Story of aeroplane. Wilbur and Orville Wright invented the airplane, which they call the flying machine. The first ever plane was in air for 12 seconds and covered a distance of 120 feet. The choice of the vehicle depends on the distance and time. If you have to travel to a faraway place, then you cannot travel by an auto rickshaw or bicycle. You will have to travel by a bus, car, train, aeroplane, etc. Thousands of people travel every day. You are a young child, but still you may be traveling every day. Modern means of transport have made traveling easy and comfortable. Each and every part of the world is well connected by roadway, airway, railways, waterways, or airways, but they create pollution. School children walking to the school. You can help in reducing the pollution and saving the environment. Do not use a vehicle if you have to go to some close by place. You can walk or use a bicycle. You will save fuel and remain fit.